Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And here I am today with another shout out with my board. And in case you're wondering why I have so few shop cards, well, I've been around so long and know so many of you guys. It's just that I feel bad getting them when I don't have one to send out yet. But I do plan on making one within the next few months. I am. So that I can actually share and swap with you guys. But I still have a few, as you can see. And I got two of them the other day from my cousin Vinnie. Alright, he's not really my cousin, but we all know Vinnie. He sent me two shop cards. And if for some reason I don't remember doing this first shout out, well, he gets two because he sent me two. But as you can see, he loves his Camaros, he loves his Chevelles. Definitely a GM guy. Almost always got a story with it, with his videos. And now that I'm saying this, I think I remember giving him a shout out before. Well, consider this another freebie, Vinnie. Why not, right? But that's not the only reason that I'm here today. Because I wanted to highlight him because this is my entry to his first generation Camaro build off. I know I'm late getting into it, but I finally got one. And yes, Vinnie, it's still sealed, and I'll get you the pictures because I saved your video of all the rules that you have in it. Very strict guy, very strict. On the other hand, he's also a very generous guy. He gave away lots of stuff for his Christmas. But this is my entry. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. But I promised him I'd enter this contest, and here it is. Oh, I do know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to build it. How about that? Does that sound like a plan? That's the only plan I got right now. So I'm going to go think of another plan, and I'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers. Oh, one more thing. And if you're wondering why I'm not giving a box opening of this kit, it's because I think this is one of those Camaro kits that everybody has built probably a couple of. I'm even pretty sure I've built one. So why bore you guys with another video of the same car? On the other hand, when I'm done with it, it'll be different. Bye.